All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. So I haven't done a trash picking video in quite a while. I've done a few of them on here. That's something I like to do. It's kind of weird to some people, I guess, but dumpster diving, trash picking, you find a lot of good things in the trash, and I have over the years. And picked stuff out of the trash or on the side of the road, and cleaned it up and resold it, and made good money doing it. It's just something I enjoy doing. It's kind of weird. A lot of people don't like to do that, but then a lot of people do as well. There are Facebook groups for dumpster diving and so forth, and some people really get into it. But anyway, I've done a few videos in the past. But so this morning I'm driving around town, and I see these two bicycles thrown out in the garbage. They were actually laying on top of a garbage can. And people will do that, or they'll set them out beside the road. And bicycles are a real common thing that people, they get done with them, they just throw them in the trash. And people pay a lot of money for these bicycles new. Take a look at them real quick. Well, it's this little pink one here. Yeah, a little pink girl's bike. Obviously, it's got some rust on the handles. Tires look good on it. I think they'll air up. I think this little bike here, stuck in the fence there. I think it'll clean up. That little seat thing there on the back's a little wobbly, but it might tighten up, or I might just take it off. Depends on how it cleans up. But a little white spray paint on the handlebars. Clean it up. Tires are holding a little bit of air. Air the tires up. It's got a chain on it. The chain's a little rusty. Throw some WD-40 on that chain, and it's not a lot of money there, but get it cleaned up, and there's probably $10-15 there in that part of the plastic where it had a chain guard on it. Of course, I'll take that off. Like I said, guys, just clean it up, and I think it'll clean up pretty good. That's $10-15. It's like seeing a $10 bill or a $15 bill laying on the side of the road. Well, this one here, of course, they were both in the same place, so it just took me about 3 minutes to pull up and grab them and throw them in the back of the little GT there. Now, this one here is actually a pretty nice bike. I looked it up a little bit. It says Elevate Ozone 500. It's Ozone 500. I don't know who makes it. If that may be the company. I just don't know a lot about bikes. The bikes I know about are the old Huffies and Swins and stuff like that. You see right there, it's Ozone. And I think on the other side it says Ozone 500 on it. But handlebars are a little bit loose. That's easy. Tighten up with a little Allen wrench there. And of course, a little cleanup on it. Tires are holding air on it. Now, the problem with this one is the chain is there. It's rusty. I don't think it's broke. Yeah, it is broke. I take that back. So this one's going to need a chain on it for sure. So I'll just pull that old rusty chain off, and I'll probably I could go to Walmart and grab a chain, but I'll probably just sell it cheap. 20-25 bucks. Clean it up real good, air the tires up, and probably get 20-25 bucks out of it easily, because I did look this up, and these things sell. Well, the ones I saw new, and it was at Academy Sports, had one, and it was like $150 new. $150 new. Look at that shock absorber in the middle of the frame. Like I said, guys, I don't know anything about these newer style bikes. I hadn't rode a bike in years. I did check the front brakes and the rear brakes. They both work good, or not froze up. Got some nice shocks there on that front fork too. Of course, a little surface rust that'll clean off. This little thing here was probably just a little clamp that held these cables on. I'm not sure, but overall it's in really good condition. Other than the chain, probably right there would have been where the kickstand would have went. Somebody's removed it, but either way, guys, at Academy Sports, this thing listed for like 150 bucks new, and I jumped on Marketplace just to kind of get an idea, and they were selling in good shape, good condition. They were selling anywhere $50 to $75 used. So this one, after I get it cleaned up and not having a chain on it, and if like I said, I probably won't mess with putting a chain on it. I'll just sell it like it is. So it ought to bring 20, 25 bucks easy. So 20, 25 for that bike. I think it could honestly bring that fairly easily. And maybe 10, 15 bucks for that little bike there once I get it cleaned up. Probably around $10 for that. So, so there you go, guys. A little trash to cash, and I'll get them cleaned up. They may sit out here, which I'll put them under the carport where they won't get any more rusted. But I'll try to remember and update you guys, let you know what I get out of them. They'll sell, and hey, guess what? If they don't sell, I'll throw them right back out in the trash. I hear the trash man coming right now, so we'll throw them right back out in the trash. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.